Presenting a pre-owned 2009 Cadillac CTS. This four-door sedan has a six-cylinder, 3.6-liter V6 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Cadillac is a great value with less than 30,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city, and 26 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, power windows, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and window defogger. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.